As a workshop manager, you probably have a lot on your plate. Between back office work and frequent repair shop visits, you can miss out on crucial approval updates. That's why EMDECS is here to eliminate the communication barrier with its automatic text message notification service. Schedule reminders about arriving and departing units, ROs awaiting approval, or order estimates all in one place. Stay informed on crucial updates on the go without disrupting the other tasks at hand. EMDECS helps you boost productivity by keeping every team member in the loop to avoid any unnecessary delays. This means there'll be one less thing for you to worry about and better transparency in your shop. Text enable your business and take your repair shop operations to the next level. Visit brightorder.co.uk to find out more and schedule a free demo.